This whale literally made $44 million from just a single coin called Pepe. In fact, I'm mind blown by what I'm seeing here. The result of this guy's trading is mind blowing. So let's check how the wallet is doing now. So yeah, so we are seeing $46 million, guys. This is crazy. This is insane, man. How many of you? In fact, this is just mind blowing. Now, I have a very good feeling that this guy knows a lot about crypto that most of the average people don't. Like, see his wallet. It doesn't look as if he actually trades 50, 100, 60 coins like the way most traders do. He just concentrates his efforts into one coin and in fact gets amazing results from them. Now see Pepe here. Now from this app you cannot see any of the transactions being made. So let me show you something else. I've been tracking this guy for quite some time, ever since the Pepe rally started. So this is his trading account. This is his daily driver for exchanging coins. Let me say randomly. Okay, this is so you see has some Pepe in it. Previously this account was around, I think, up to $100,000, but he kind of sold some out. Then for what I'm saying, he staked some, which I'm quite very surprised. He staked 9.15 billion Pepe tokens worth $15,700, and I'm seeing something about unlock at 2029. Wow, that is mind blowing, because this tells me that this guy has big plans for Pepe, or is seeing the future of what I'm not seeing. In fact, I'm just speechless. I'm speechless, guys, because why would somebody stake their cryptocurrency for so long like this? This is 2029, guys. I don't know. Is this anyway? Let's just skip that. We're in 2023 and someone is taking their coins till 2029, unlock at 2029. I don't know. Let's just say I don't understand what is happening here, but let me show you something else you need to see. Let's go to the Trust Wallet. Now I imported this guy's Trust Wallet free so that I can see every transaction. Now what I'm doing, I don't have access to his coins. I don't. All I can see, I can see everything he does, his transactions. Like, see the recent transactions he has been doing. I think from here he sold some Pepe. Yes, that's why we're seeing negative. I sold some Pepe. This is the date, the time, the address, everything. If fees, then you see some other smart contracts he did too. Right, then let me show you his okay, for this one there's nothing special here. Let's show you his main wallet. His main wallet that is worth $46 million. Let's go down. You can see I've been tracking many whales for quite some time, because that is how I actually make money in crypto. Track the whales, where they are putting their money. Yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. Oh god, are you seeing this? Now this was when he made the transaction. So he used his other wallet to buy the coins, then transfer them to this wallet. So let's see if now how does this guy make such money from trading cryptocurrency without actually trading like the way most traders trade. Like most traders now, they in a month they take like 1,500 trades. No kidding. Some people take, okay, let's say the minimum some people take is like 30 or 20, which is a lot, but it's not giving them as much money as the way this guy is getting his own. So how does he do it? The main secret I've discovered is that these whales, they don't just buy coins that are already existing on exchanges, except they have insiders information. What they do, they snipe coins at launches. Now if you don't know what the word sniping, how it works is that you are literally buying a coin at the listing on the decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, Uniswap and the rest. But for now, what I've observed is that the coins that are really performing well are the ones on Ethereum network, ERC20 tokens. The Binance Chain tokens, they've been seriously underperforming. I don't know why. Maybe because of if they have any problem with government, or but ERC tokens are on board, guys. Though I don't like ERC tokens because why? The fees are too expensive. So this is what they do. They have some advanced systems like robots. I think there's a bot they call Mastro Sniper bot, $200 a month. This bot helps them scan the market and tells them which coin is really listed and which person or will is attempting to buy them. So they snipe the coin or buy the coin at the listing. Just like these guys are so fucking good at they buy these coins 5 minutes after the launch, 10 minutes after the launch, 30 minutes after the launch. Guys, you know what? Do you know the possibility here if you were able to snipe Dogecoin at launch, Shiba Inu at launch, all those coins that performed really well. So this is what this guy did. That is exactly what he did that made him made such amount of money.
3 hours later.
Something very, very urgent I need to tell you. While I was editing this video, I found out that the wallet was empty. So I was shocked. I was like, what the hell happened? Did he just cash out? Okay, so let's check what happened. So after checking it, I found out that the guy sent most of the coins to another wallet. Maybe too much eyes are on him. I don't understand these guys' business, but I was able to trace the wallet. So this new wallet over here, new. And guys, did you see that it was at $100 million? The highest I saw this account was $105 million from a single token, guys. Hey, see, you people should start paying serious attention to crypto. I'm telling you, you need to pay attention to crypto.
Later that day.